Today I would like to show you the Read&Write toolbar and what it looks like and the tools that are the most useful when you're in your Google Docs account. If you're typing a paper for class, if you click on the purple puzzle piece and it gives you a tab. Then clicking on the tab will open and close your toolbar. So I'm going to open it. And the first tool I want to show you is Predictive Typing. And it's prediction, so it's a crystal ball. It's trying to guess ahead of time what you're going to type next. It will predict, and if I'm not sure how to spell it.
Predictions. Predicated. Predicted. Predict.
It'll read all of them to you. You choose the one you want. Which. Okay, so, and as I
typed,
insert it.
Yes.
And you can just click on it and it'll automatically insert it for you. It will guess the next word. You.
Probably. Type. Of.
Okay.
Type.
So that's predictive typing. Sorry. And it can be turned off just by clicking on the crystal ball. You can also go into your settings for Read&Write over in the down arrow, and you can adjust whether you have 10 words here or only one, set of 5 words. It's up to you. Okay, and I'm going to turn that off. The next one I want to show you is how to use the speech to text. So you can talk your papers out and then just go back and edit them. It'll do all the typing for you. That's usually another one that's great when you don't want to deal with spelling. It's called Talk and Type in the toolbar. So I'm going to click on that. And it automatically turns on the microphone. So I'm just going to immediately turn it off and erase what it was listening to. When it's black, it's off. When it's red, it's recording. As long as you speak clearly, the microphone is on the top of your screen on your Chromebook and it'll record you. For instance, if I want to talk about winter break or spring break, I can talk about it and it will type all of the information for me. All I have to do is go back and edit it, period. One thing to be aware of, however, is that it may mix up what you mean by a particular word, such as period. In this case, I wanted it to be the punctuation, period. If you say, my first period class is math, it may not make sense when you read it, period. Okay, so I will turn that off now, and I need to go back and edit it. Another tool that's in Read&Write that's very valuable for editing is the text-to-speech, because sometimes when you look over something, you may not see it because you thought you typed it the way you wanted it. If you listen to it, it may sound different than what you planned.
For instance, if I want to talk about winter break or spring break, I can talk about it and it will type all of the information for me. All I have to do is go back and edit it.
Okay, so I already heard something I want to change. I want to put a comma in there. It will type all of the information for me. Comma. All I have to do is go back and edit it. Okay, so I'm going to start right here now and do highlight.
Be aware of, however, is that it may mix up what you mean by a particular word, such as, in this case, I wanted it to be the punctuation. If you say my first class is math, it may not make sense when you read it.
Okay, so you can see how this would help with editing. So one thing to be aware of, however, is that it may mix up what you want by a particular word, such as period. I want the word period, so I need to put it in there. In this case, I want a comma after that. I wanted it to be the punctuation, and I forgot the word mark, so I'm going to put that in there. If you say first period class, see, now I have to change this. Most things are going to be just quick edits. This, I was purposely using the word period so you could see what the issue would be. All right, so those are some of the tools to use in your Google Docs. If you have an assignment from a teacher and maybe there's a lot of directions, you might want to use the masking so that you can go down the page while you're reading it, or you may choose to have it read the directions to you. that should be most of the tools you're going to use for Google Docs. Thank you.